Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wabash County, Indiana, Grant County in central Indiana, southern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, Blackford County in east central Indiana, Wells County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Jay County in east central Indiana, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Andrews to 9 miles south of Huntington to near Fairmount, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Bluffton, Hartford City, Gat City, Upland, Ossian, Fairmount, Dunkirk, Montpelier, Jonesboro, Markle, Van Buren, Pennville, Matthews, Warren, Lancaster, Preble, Nottingham, Zanesville, and Uniondale. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 252 and 293. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Blackford, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Wabash, and Wells. The severe thunderstorm warning for